In this concept of duration, there are three things that will be covered in this video. This is how beat values work, then we have time signatures, and finally tempo. So personally, this is a basic idea of how duration works. With beat values, you'll have to understand these symbols over here. So we have the crotchet right in the middle, is worth 1 beat. Then next to that is the quavers as half a beat. And then we have the semiquavers, which is the word semi meaning quarter. So we have 1/4 or a quarter. On this side, we have the minimums worth 2 beats, which is double the crotchets. Then quadruple the crotchets is the semi-beats, which is worth 4 beats. Assuming in a 4/4 time signature, it will take up the whole bar. And we will talk about further on that. Moving on to time signatures, we have simple time and complex time. For now, we'll just be focusing on simple time, just to make things easier. So with simple time, we have like 4/4, 6/8, 3/4, 2/4, etc. So beats that are simple, basically. So if you look at the top and the bottom number, just to tell you guys, this is not a fraction. So we'll keep that in mind. So with the top number, it represents the amount of beats that goes in per bar. So what I'm saying that is, if the number was 4 in the top, then there'll be 4 beats that'll be played in that bar. Next, on the bottom number, it represents the value of that particular beat. So if you look at this diagram, we have this one semi-brief on the top, then the 2 minims below, followed by 2 crotchets below that minim, then it goes on. So if the bottom number was 4, then we'd have to pick the amount of beats that is in that particular row. So that means we'll be picking the crotchets. So that's the amount of beats I'm saying, basically. And finally, we have tempo. So with tempo, it is a Latin word for speed, which determines the speed of that beat being played. So if it was a normal speed, the beat would go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If the speed was faster, then you go faster, obviously. So you would go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing with slow, you're like 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you look at this diagram, it tells you all the Latin words for those particulars. So this would be called tempo markings, as it particularly marks that tempo. And that concludes the concept of duration. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you subscribe, like, and comment about any ideas that can be updated in this concept or any other concepts. And see you soon.